Hello and welcome back to the channel. You can see I got me a pile of boxes here. After about 4 months of waiting, my disc brake conversion kit for the Pontiac finally came in. So I'm going to do an unboxing video and see what's in here. So let's get on with the unboxing. First of all, I want to thank the extra couple members on or subscribers to the channel. I'm up past like 92, 93, 94 member subscribers now. Appreciate that. The lightest box is this one right here. This has 3 bent brake lines in it. Made in China, of course. One thing I will say that I found surprising is when this was shipped, is that it was just shipped in this lightweight box with no of the pillow, the air pillows in there or anything like that. And that was kind of surprising. But I must say, for the delivery system, they did a good job. They didn't crush it, so everything, at least in this box, is in great condition. There are some heavy ones, and this is one of them. I took a sneak peek inside of this one anyway. Looks like the meat and potatoes right here. Got a box with some calipers in them. Well, not a very good box. It's falling apart. Brake pads are in there. Oh, this is the cabling for the emergency brake, or parking brake. That's what that is. Got some more packaging here. Looks like we got a couple of rotors in here. Let's check one of those out. Looky here. Check this out. A couple of new gaskets for the rear end for the diff. How about that? I didn't get any parts in there for that. I don't know how those disc rotor. Wrapped up in plastic. Looks like they got some kind of anti-corrosion coating on there a little bit. It's always good to see. That's it for that box. Oh yeah. This is my new steering box. Yeah. I'm not going to bag it all and all that kind of stuff. That's the new steering box. The other one's so mushy. It's a wonder I haven't gotten in an accident already. What's that? Here's the top plate. Nice aluminum looking piece. Got the CPP logo on the top there. There we go. That's a better look at it, right? This one here Can't quite tell how it opens. Oh, it's the new master cylinder. Yep. There we go. Oh, that looks nice. Nice shiny car parts. We got here a catalog, links for the website for more information. That's good stuff right there. So yeah, we'll bring it out here for a second. Yeah. The master cylinder. There's the vacuum booster, right? More parts and such in a smaller box. Okay, we got this box and one more to go. We got the front calipers and the rotors. Wow, the whole deal's in here. The bearing, it's all there. Here's this new steering knuckle too. Yeah, spindle steering knuckle. The last box, it's shaped the same way, so I'll take a quick peek. Yep. Okay. This one. That's what that is. Okay. Everything looks like it's here. Okay. Thank you for joining me in my video today. The unboxing of my disc brake conversion kit for the Pontiac. And like I said, I waited 4 months for this. I ordered it from Original Parts Group. So it's been really cold around here. I live in the Rust Belt. So it's been like 10 degrees, 15 degrees. It's pretty chilly. So today it's up to 40 today, and we're liking that around here. So I came out here to finally do this thing. Put some content out there to let you know I haven't forgotten about my audience. So thank you for coming. Please like and subscribe and share if you'd like. And I'll try to get back to you with another episode as soon as possible. Thank you.